Oh my god, I'm so late for the trek. Come, let's go. This is Tanka's Getaway. Apparently, we are trekking to Druk Path, and with me this time I have a very special guest, and these guests are ta-da!
Hi!
I know these faces are very familiar on screen. So she is Choni Saldan. She is a very famous anchor. I'm sure you must have watched her show.
Do you know each other? And currently doing chicken.
Yeah, she's like the MC of Chicken. And I don't have to even introduce her.
Hello everyone.
So she is the famous actress. Yeah, she's not tired right now. So yeah, and I have another crazy friend down. So this time with me, I have these girls with me. So hopefully we're going to have fun. And come, just follow us. So it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes since we started to hike, and I'm sweating like a pig. So wet. Tanjan, is this your first time trekking to Druk Path?
Yes, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to go to Druk Path, do Druk Path, and then I did plan last year,
Right.
but it coincided with my shooting. I breathe acting, so I had to be there for work, so I couldn't go. I was so sad. For days I was sad. But then I've already sent the message to the universe saying that I'm coming there.
At this
Lonzo,
time?
Jello and all. So I'm coming!
Yes! What do you think about the trail? Is it hard, difficult?
It is hard. We've just walked, as she said, an hour 30, but it's uphill so far. And I haven't walked for so long, so it is definitely a challenge for me.
Right now we arrived here at Jello. By the way, before the arrival of Jabdung Nawang Namgyal, this Jello was known as Drella something Chorten, but now people know this place as Jello, and this is the place where Jabdung visited when he was 24 years old. So it plays a very significant role in olden times. This place used to be the place where they used to govern. They had both the monastic and administration center law. So yeah, I think this is very significant. It was very significant in olden times, but even today there are so many Bhutanese who come here and they pay homage to their local deity, who is Paldanisha Gyambo. And the main statue inside this temple is Lord Buddha Shakyamuni. So you all must come here and check it out.
We are here at Janchulaka, the first camp. We are going to stay there. This is our camp. And we walked for almost 8 hours.
8 hours, yes.
4,963 steps, and then 15 kilometers.
Wow!
So we did it!
Yeah! day 2, and today we are heading to Dundee. Yeah, Jimmy Lonzo, and we might probably take how long?
6 hours.
So yeah, we'll go according to Cho's time bound. So yeah,
Very
let's
fast.
see.
Show
Yeah.
is like uncomfortable.
So apparently we are almost there at Jimmy Lonzo, and that is the campsite. So Jimmy Lonzo is somewhere there. You really can't see it clearly, but we're going to camp there tonight. And Jimmy Lonzo is supposed to be the highlight of day 2 Druk trek. Let's see and check it out how our campsite and the glorious lake would be. Hey guys, finally made it to our second base camp here at Jimmy Lonzo. Hey, hi.
Hi, how are you? How was your day today?
Yeah, it was great.
So this is your luxury tent?
Oh my god, guys, you need to see this. You guys have bed?
Yes.
They literally have a bed here.
So we offer two types of camping. One is with the luxury, like this, with a bed. Another one was with the non-luxury, with a normal tent, and with always toilet tent and shower tent.
Hello, ta-da! Look at the toilet. It's so luxurious, right? Besides the tent and the toe, we have a luxurious toilet. I'm so happy. Bye-bye!
Okay, so right now we are heading towards the lake. So right now from the campsite we are going to Jimmy Lonzo's. So this is Tandin's first time visiting lake, right?
And we're
Mm-hmm.
going to offer
Right.
to the lake.
Jimmy Lonzo.
You heard a story about
A bull happened to appear from this lake, low, and no, and there's also myth. I don't know. Some people are saying the bull sort of so I don't know which one to believe in, but then these are the myths, man. By the way, guys, this lake is also known as a trout lake because I heard you get massive trouts in there. Are you craving for trout? Find out. this girl. So then this lake is really popularly known for the trout, like really. Okay, Mr. Karma,
English na to.
how many times did you hike this trail, like the Druk path? For how many times?
Almost 60 to 70 times.
What? This sushi, it's my first time.
Yeah, I had
Wow.
started my career in 2006, so maybe in a year 5 times.
Wow, in a year 5 times. Stunning, stunning. Oh, chiki na trekking gamchi time be opemba. Sabi ochin ngapchu, dukchu, linchu. Yalla makedo ngapchu dukchu. Searching. How many times did you hike this trail from the Druk path?
I think maybe around 20, 30 times.
Oh my god, no, what's happening? Because they're like super experienced. How about you?
First time.
Oh yeah, give me 5. It's our first time. Whoa, stunning. So the staffs of BTCL, they are well experienced guides. In fact, this time with 5 of us, we have 2 guides. So quite a service. Amazing. You guys must come with them. So guys, today is day 3 and we are headed towards Lavana! Oh yes, Lavana. So stay tuned. Let's see how day 3 rolls. 장이 소스하고 좀 생겼어?
장에 소스로 미지 띵아 달람디 가 준심는 같이 주님이 장에 dev달로 넘 준비부터 장에서 자 심지 자 띵아 제게 남세면 되지 준비시 가심 소진으로 나 노다 야다 차드미 좀 기슈스기 안베 좀 장에서 아마
Just put some stones. So guys, this is a tradition where all the hikers and people who have passes this pass the ridge sort of build the pyramid. I don't know for what reasons, but I think to pay homage to the to homage, right? To pay homage to the spirits here. Land of pyramid.
Okay, this is the highest point of Druk Path track. It's 4220, and this is the last highest point we will be.
We'll be descending.
Yeah, now we will be descending
Down towards
down
Phajuding.
towards Phajuding.
Right. So this is the highlight, guys. The highest point of Druk Path trip. Guys, we're almost there. Almost there. Jessica, you did a great job today. So happy you finally made it to the last viewpoint. So from here we'll be descending down towards Phajuding campsite. Pretty excited. Just want to go to campsite, change and relax. Got a guitar. Datang mana mau buat dia saja. Ayo. Ante cium madu sebetulnya. Sanyam ya ego. Lumago salumaye. Mijo jen katia. Guys, the bonus part about doing the Druk Path trail is you can also come to Tujidra, visit Tujidra, pay homage to Phajudogum Jipa and many more deities. out there. So then I paid my homies. Now I'm headed to the camp. Too tired. Welcome to campsite number 3.
Thank you.
Everyone is so tired. So we're going to wake up to Thimphu tomorrow morning. Morning guys, this is day 4. So yesterday it was a little heavy for us. It sort of drizzled and it rained so bad, but we managed to cover 18 kilometers. Yes, 18 kilometers in 7 hours and made it here at Pajudin campsite. Presently we are here at Pajudin campsite and later on we'll be hiking back to Thimphu. So far the trek has been wonderful. It's just that yesterday the rain rained a bit, otherwise it was awesome.